we got some sticker shock. Good morning, everyone. We're headed back to the $6,000 house this morning, and I stopped off at Lowe's to get my lumber, and unfortunately we got some sticker shock. Oh my goodness, let me tell you what, lumber has doubled, tripled in some things. It's crazy. What should have been about $250 was almost $700 this morning. It's got crazy. Well, it's a good thing I salvaged a lot of stuff, because I tell you what, and I'm having to buy a lot of lumber on this particular house, but well, you got to do what you got to do. And but stay tuned. We're getting ready to frame up some walls, and we're going to start making some progress. All right, we're going to call it a day. So today we managed to cut the grass so we could actually get to the house, because you know it's been forever since we were over here and the grass was just completely overgrown. We've only got who knows how much rain. It's rained every day, a lot. If you just look at the weather forecast, it's like how many hurricanes are coming? You know, there's like 9. Anyway, a lot of rain. The grass grows, or the weeds grow, so we got the weeds all cut back. Enough about the weeds. Let's talk about what work we got done. Oh, the last video we talked about our slab, getting our slab done, and today we framed up most everything. We'll start back here in the back. I know I didn't say much, I just kind of let the video run while we were working. Let's see if we can get in here. Alright, this is going to be the laundry area. Washer and dryer is going to go back against that back wall where the standpipe is coming up behind the ladder. There's the door going to go out to the backyard, which we've got to do a lot of work to. We got a little concrete patio back here. It's not very big, but it'll be big enough what we're doing here. This is going to be the door coming out of the main part of the house. It's going to be a hallway going into the master suite. There's going to be, we're going to frame up a door going across here, and there's going to be a header up here. Going to be a bifold door going here into the closet. There's going to be a big closet here. It's kind of hard to really make out, but it's going to be a pretty good sized closet. Then if you look at this room right here, this is about 16 feet long by 12 feet wide. There's going to be a double door on the end a double window. It's going to go down there. This is going to be the door going into the master bath. This opening here is going to be closed up. That's the living room on the other side of there. That's going to be closed up. And coming in here to the master bathroom, our vanity is going to go here. Then we got our toilets going here. That's our drain for our tub, and our tub is going to go right here on the back side. So bathroom is like 5 foot by 8.5 foot. So it's not terribly large, but it's not real small either. But regardless, it's going to be big enough. And this part of the house here, we're going to cathedral this. It's going to be cathedral in the master suite up to this wall. Now we've still got, you notice we've doubled these plates for the extra strength to keep them from buckling. We're still going to come in and double these top plates here and tie everything together. What we'll do is where this plate ends, we'll extend another one on top, and it'll go on top of this wall here, so it ties the two together so there won't be any movement. And it'll go all the way around with a double, and that'll get us up to our ceiling height that we're going to have in here. And that is it for today, this weekend. Of course, wouldn't you know it, when we got here and we were tearing off the forms for the concrete, we found that there are termites active. So I got to get the termite guy over here. And yes, I got him on speed dial now. So we're going to get this over here and get it treated. I actually already talked to him, and it's going to be like $1,000 to have the house treated, and that gives me like a 10-year warranty on against termites. So that's a good thing. Anyway, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. Got any questions, ask below. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and we'll see you next time.